Background information, current panorama of the problem, and projections to the future each can be understood as the different and possible steps the authors can take in order to reach the major communicative purpose of Move 1, which is justify the research by locating the work into a problematic or expanding area in the field where they intend to contribute to. For example, the researchers may justify their research by showing the readers that the topic they are studying will be of great relevance in the near future. To do so, they may take a single step, which is the projections to the future, or in this course, step 3. Let's see this example from Goals and Others abstract. We envision that the next generation of knowledge-based CAD systems will be characterized by four features. They'll be based on cognitive accounts of design, and they'll support collaborative design, conceptual design, and creative design. Or the researchers may justify their research by presenting interesting or effective practices that have become common in their field of study, and thus they will continue the traditions. To do so, they may also take a single step, which is current panorama of the problem, or in this course, step 2. Check this example of Move 1 from Shu and Others abstract. The special importance of LHEF regularization has been recognized in recent studies on sparse modeling, particularly on compressed sensing. A third possibility is the researchers justify the research by presenting problems, either in the world or in the literature, which have not been well investigated and need to be expanded, or because they have not been investigated at all, or even because they were inadequately or incorrectly investigated by previous researchers in the field. To do so, they can also take a single step, step 2, which is current panorama of the problem. Consider this next text as an example. Although it seems straightforward to incorporate SSC into a deformable segmentation framework as shape priors, the large-scale sparse optimization of SSC has low runtime efficiency, which cannot satisfy clinical requirements. In any of these three cases, the step background information, or in this course, step 1, can also be taken. Move 1 of Zhang and others abstract illustrates the case. To justify the importance of their research on shape priors modeling, the authors start Move 1 by step 1, presenting the definition of organ shape. Then they take step 2, explaining that effective modeling of shape priors is still challenging. Taking step 1 with the others, that is, presenting background information in the abstract before presenting the current panorama of the problem or the projections to the future, highly depends on the audience you are writing to.